Hello, student. Welcome to Standard 10th. We are going to begin the history lesson 5th, that is, Mass Media and History, part 4th. In the previous lecture, let us brief it out. We had seen magazines and journals. Then we had also seen electronic or digital journalism, followed by radio, how the radio was started in India. Then we saw the television, and it was started at Delhi by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the then Prime President of India. Then the Mumbai Doordarshan was started. Then the color television was introduced, and then we also have seen how the government of India has given permission for private national and international channels to telecast their programs, and ever since then lots of changes took place in the fields of television, and every day something or the other new changes are taking place, and mm, we people are enjoying it, we people are observing it, watching it. So now in the next part we are going to see why do we need mass media. We need mass media to facilitate free flow of information to all strata of the society. So, masses, that means the people, the common people, should be informed about what is happening in the country, and therefore this information has to reach to the common people, to the local people, and therefore we need mass media. Editorials, various columns, and supplements are essential part of the newspaper. So through the editorial we comes to know about the views of the editorial editor. Then various columns discuss some important issues which are going on in the country, and supplements give us the overall view of the particular issues which is burning issues. So in this way editorial, various columns and supplements are very important part of newspaper. Readers are also ensured of a platform to voice their opinions. So people can voice their opinion, even they can write a letter to the editor. Newspaper can help in making the democracy stronger. Television is an audiovisual medium. It was possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitation of newspapers and the radio and show the audio visual of an event to people. So here newspapers gives us the printed news, and radio we can hear the news, we can hear whatever they are telecasting. But on the television it is the actually we can see and we can hear. Even sometimes the live programs also we can hear and see. So far there is no other alternative to television for watching an event as it actually happened. So television is till now the best mass media ma- instrument. So we have not come and any other instrument better than the television. And nowadays, every household, even in the villages, even in the slums, they have television at their places. The next topic we move on, that is critical understanding of the information received through mass media. Any information received through mass media needs to be reviewed critically. The news or information in the media may not always represent exact truth. We need to scan it very carefully. There is a very famous event of unauthentic information operating in print in Germany. Stern, a German weekly magazine, had purchased a number of so called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was the dictator of Germany during the Second World War time and a famous character. So his diaries were quite important. So these diaries sold them to various publication companies. The diaries were verified for their authenticity and subsequently the news appeared in the print. However, later those diaries were proved to be forged. It becomes apparent from this example that we need to be very careful about the information published in the media. It has to be authentic and it has to be checked, verified, and found correct. Then only we can print the newspaper. So authenticity is as important as this. Let us move on to next topic, mass media and professional opportunities. Newspapers have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its reader. If a newspaper gives the stale news, then that particular newspaper people will not prefer to read every day. So every day we need to read fresh news. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. So what was the background of that? At such time, newspapers have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happened in the past. So, any such incidents had taken place earlier, then it always try to compare it. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. Thus, the reader gets access to additional information and he can get better insights about the current news. Newspaper print columns about historical information appearing under the heading such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago, etc. So, on this day, earlier, what incidents took place? Such columns are based on historical documents or written history. These columns prove historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also events of historical significance. This column provides the news which happened earlier in the past and they were historical historically significant during that time. do this. Newspaper also publish crossword puzzles based on history. Try to create similar crossword puzzles. For example, use of use fort names to create a puzzle. You can do this during your leisure time. Newspaper occasionally publish supplements to the regular edition or special issues. For example, World War First commenced in 1914. Year 2014 marked the 100 years of this event. In order to be able to publish a newspaper supplement or a special issue to commemorate the occasion, one need to review its history. So we should be able to exactly write what had happened earlier. So we should know the history. In 2017, 75 years were completed after the announcement of Quit India movement. On such occasions, newspapers highlighted the event through various articles, editorials, columns like what happened in history on this day, reviews, etc. The knowledge of history is essential for writing of such type. So we have to be thorough with historical knowledge. History is also essential in planning radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings of all the speeches delivered each year by the Prime Ministers of India on 15th of August. Akashvani invites historians as experts for discussions on various occasions such as the anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Lectures on the contribution of various national leaders need to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. So, such programs, experts are invited and they give their expert advice, and they also are thorough with the history, so they give information what exactly had happened during that time. Television channels also telecast programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels help in creating interest in history among people through their historical show and serials. The mythological and historical serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharati Khoj, and Raja Shiv Chhatrapati attracted a very large audience. While producing this type of program, maintaining accuracy with regard to the presentation of environment, outfit, weaponry, lifestyle, lingual expression, etc., is essential. One needs to have a deep understanding of history of the concerned period. So, when we are depicting all this, we have to have a thorough knowledge what type of weapons they were using, what type of drapery they were using, what type of ornaments they were using, and these are to be shown exactly. Currently, channels like Discovery, National Geography, History, etc., have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. It has enabled people to review the historical and geographic wonders at home. So, You must be watching such channels, and you are well acquainted with it. To make such programs more entertaining, some parts of the serials are actually enacted by actors, such as characters of heroic men, for example, Ashoka or Emperor Akbar, etc., and women, Razia Sultan or Jhansi Ki Rani, sportsmen, Sachin Tendulkar or Kapil Dev or MS Dhoni, etc., army chiefs, etc. Besides these serials about ancient monuments, forts, histories of empires, and also the history of culinary art are watched by a large number of people with great interest. People with deep knowledge of history in the respective field are sought out in all the fields mentioned above. So, historical knowledge has to be deep, and such people are in demand so that they can give exact history, what type of drapery, what type of language, what type of setup has to be depicted through the serial. It has to be told to the director by these people. In this way, in this part, we have studied why do we need mass media, critical understanding of the information received through mass media. Then we have also studied mass media and professional opportunities. So, in this way, my dear student, several opportunities we have seen, and thus we have come to an end of the lesson. Please read the lesson and study well. All the best.